Welcome back to CrystalCooks. I recently received this beautiful whole chicken from my friends at the Urban Roost Homestead, and I was trying to figure out the best way to prepare it. I wanted something fresh and a little different for spring, but I've also been really busy with work and did not have a lot of extra time to spend in the kitchen. So I found a lemon garlic slow cooker roast chicken recipe from RecipeTin Eats and decided to try it. This came out so tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Here's what you'll need. 1 whole chicken, about 4 pounds, patted dry. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Half a teaspoon of dried parsley. Half a teaspoon of dried oregano. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter, plus a little extra for drizzling. 3 cloves of minced garlic. 1 large lemon, zested and juiced. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. And 1 extra lemon just in case you want the sauce a little brighter. And don't throw away the lemon after you zest and juice it. We're going to use that too. First, let's make the rub. In a small bowl, melt the butter in the microwave, then add the thyme, parsley, oregano, salt, pepper, and garlic, and mix that together until it's combined. Then zest a large lemon and add the lemon juice and mix that together with the rest of the seasonings. Once the rub is prepped, set it aside. Be sure not to throw away the rest of the lemon. Pat the chicken dry really well. Since this chicken came fresh from a local farm, I also checked the skin for any extra feathers and trimmed off anything I did not plan to use for this meal. I like to save those extra pieces for homemade chicken broth later. Once the chicken is dry, gently loosen the skin. I used a spoon to carefully separate the skin from the meat without tearing it. Then spoon most of the lemon garlic rub under the skin. Save a little bit for the outside of the chicken. You can use your hands or the back of the spoon to spread it around. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to get that flavor under the skin and on top of the chicken so every bite is well seasoned. Next, place the used lemon inside the chicken. Now we're going to make a simple rack for the slow cooker. If you already have a rack that fits inside your slow cooker, you can use that. If not, take a sheet of aluminum foil, twist it into a rope, and shape it into a ring. Place the foil ring into the bottom of the slow cooker, then place the chicken on top. This keeps the chicken lifted up so it's not sitting directly in the juices as it cooks. Cover with aluminum foil and then put the top on the slow cooker and cook on low for about 5 hours or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Once the chicken is fully cooked, carefully transfer it to a foil-lined pan. Drizzle the top with a little extra melted butter or oil, then broil it for 5 to 10 minutes, just until the skin is golden and browned. While the chicken is browning, make the lemon sauce. Pour the slow cooker juices into a saucepan, add the cornstarch mixture, and bring it to a simmer, whisking until it thickens. Then pour the sauce into a small cup or bowl and drizzle it over the chicken. Serve it with your favorite sides and enjoy. This dish was fantastic. The chicken was moist and tender, and the lemon sauce added such a bright, fresh flavor. It made the whole meal feel a little more special without being complicated. I have linked the original RecipeTin Eats recipe in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you've ever slow cooked a whole chicken before and what seasonings you like to use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time.